Hi, I'm Jeremy, the author of Exploring Arduino. What you're about to watch is a brief video demonstration of one of the projects in the second edition of the book Exploring Arduino. If you don't already have the book, visit exploringarduino.com to learn more about it and where you can buy it. If you make a cool project from the book and want to share it, please use the hashtag ExploringArduino on social media. Okay, good luck with the project. This is a demo of the Pentatonic piano made with an Arduino, a speaker, a potentiometer for volume adjustment, and 5 buttons to control the notes. Adjusting the knob allows you to change the volume. And each of the buttons controls a different note on the pentatonic scale.